Hi everyone. In this video, I'm gonna show you how we can change the language of SolidWorks to French. So I have my SolidWorks English. You can see this file, edit, view, so as follow. So I will change it to with French language. First of all, I'm gonna go to this file. Okay, so go to my SolidWorks. Okay, I will open this file. Okay, I will go to SYYE and click it. I go to language and double click. Okay. So this is the languages. So we have Chinese, we have Germanese, Italian, and that's it, French. Okay, double click. I will go to setup and click to run as administrator. Okay, yes. This maybe take a while, so next, and be patient. Okay, so okay, when I go to the file C, and I will go to program files and SolidWorks core, SolidWorks, and you can search to lang. Okay, that's it. You can get the French language. Okay, so what I will do, I just will rename the English and rename the French. I will make French as English, the name of French, and I will change also English to French. So, okay. So I will rename it, and okay. Okay, and I will put English here. Okay, this is French. Okay, so that's it. I will go back to my SolidWorks, and you can see the language is was changed. So verification. So this with French. Chargement des compléments, donc on a français. Donc on a la langue française. Ok. So fonction, excuse, evaluate, etc. Okay, that's so this is our video, and this is how to change SolidWorks language.